don't want no stiff bob. You want one that, okay? Okay, you want one that moves with you, okay? Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be reviewing this cute little bob right here. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to know that I am having a La Vida Rosa style giveaway, and I'm going to be giving away these earrings right here. They're 5 pairs of earrings because I'm going to be opening up my own shop. And to kick it off, I'm throwing a giveaway, and I'll be announcing the winner this week. So if you would like to enter, go ahead and check out the instructions down below, and you'll be entered in for your chance to win. And also, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so today's wig is from BOBBI Boss, and it is in the style LYNA Sleek, and in the color 2. It is a bob, which is really cute. I'm really liking the lusciousness of it already. And also it has a very nice looking part in the front. It's obviously a lace front, and there are 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Okay, yes, this part is what I'm talking about, and I want you to see how far back it goes. It stops right here. That's a deep part. Okay, it says it's a handmade Swiss lace deep part, and the lace does feel very comfortable on my head. I might pull it up just a little bit because I do have like a 5 head, so I'm gonna pull mine up just a little bit, not too much. I don't want it to look too unrealistic. I'm loving the sleekness of this. It's synthetic hair, but it's YAKY. It's silky YAKY. This hair feel kind of real. I like the wig itself. I don't know how much I like it on me. This part is fabulous. I am going to add a little bit of concealer. It reminds me of a hairstyle Rihanna had one time. I feel like this wig is like perfectly cut and bumped. Like, even when you look at it from the side and in the back, it's just like, it's like perfect. Even though it's synthetic, I feel like this is like really high quality synthetic hair. You don't want no stiff bob. You want one that, okay? Okay, you want one that moves with you, okay? Now, I haven't done the La Vida Rosa hair flip test in a very long time, but it definitely passes. It definitely does, okay? I just like doing it with this bob. It's so, like, it just moves so freely. I didn't really get any shedding or tangling. Obviously, this is like a shorter wig. And the best part about this wig is that it's only $30. $29.99, girl. So like I said, if you're looking for a really cute bob, and it's like really sleek and chic. It's very, you know what I'm saying, it frames your face. That, like I said, the hair is really nice. This is like a really quick review because I really don't have too much negative to say about this wig. It's like, it's comfortable. The lace is comfortable. I think it's perfect for like warmer weather because it's not gonna be too hot. It's very like, it like breathes. If I had to grade this wig, it would get an A++++++. So I will slide right over to SAMSBEAUTY.com. The link will be in the description box if you like this one. And they have like a wide range of colors, and they also have a wide range of bob styles as well. Are you liking this one? Are you feeling this one? I would love to know. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.